got it here, Ego power light, portable area light, 56 volt. Let's unbox it. Okay. Wow, this is simple. Love it whenever packaging is super simple and paper. Okay, so the batteries will go into here, and there's a light. Wow, this is awesome. 10,000 lumens, up to 35 hours. That is cool. So it can be like a lantern, forward, or it can be adjusted down this way, focus on the front only, or like front and sides. Ooh, this is more like a lantern, two sides in the back. Okay, the battery is going to go into here. Ooh, cool. There's a couple of tripod screw-ons and a hanger right here, but I think it's nice stationary too. Okay, open this and this. Okay, let's turn it on. All 4 panels on, 3 panels, 1, and all 4. There's a up and down. Brighter. Wow, less brighter. That is nice. Okay, then this can go folded into a lantern. Nice, this is very bright. Okay, it's on all 4, or even this way. Okay, let's do the brightest. Very bright area light, 360. And I can have area light mode all 3 around. This is the maximum. This is on lowest. Still plenty of light on lowest. All 3. Propane grill gauge, hot day, cool day, cold day. Wow, I didn't even think about it during the different hot, cold days. It's the gauge will have different pressure. So there's a spin, there's a safety. Super easy to put it on. Just goes on really tight. Fits really well. Okay, I'm gonna turn it this way so we can see. And then screw this on. Okay. Okay, and then we're gonna turn it on. It's 80 degrees out here, and during the hot day we can see it's on green. That's nice. That way I can look, see how much propane left before I start cooking, so I don't have to replace the gas tank while I'm cooking. Milwaukee 18 gauge narrow crown stapler. Beautiful. There's a on and off button for single and bump, and there's depth adjustment up and down. 18 volt M18 battery. It comes with bumper holder, changeable bumpers, smaller and bigger.
It goes from 3/8 to 1.5 inch.
Loads from the top. Nice. Okay, bump. Milwaukee pack out electric tool organizer, 5 compartments. So there's latchets, 2. Open stands here, opens all the way out. There's the rubber and deep compartments, 1 wide, couple small ones, and they completely removable. Maybe set it to the side, could be used without the compartments, but I really do like organizer compartments. You grab a bunch of little things, pull it out, bring it to the job side, push them back in. Nice. And very nice that it's transparent, so easy to see what's there. There's a release button, handle opens up like a little suitcase. It can go on a different pack outs. Let's see how they lock in. Very stone. Okay. Or it can go on different tools on the bottom. There's buckets with the pack out. Nice. Need to grab one and move it. So it's really nice and stone. Milwaukee pack out toolbox organizer. The handle opens like that, locks into the side, so other Milwaukee pack outs can go on top of it easily. Great. Removes it this way. Okay, there's a lock. Only one opens this way. Nice. Okay, there's what is inside and some ideas. Some nails, more nails, tapes, just whole bunch of different type of nails. Here's the example of stuff. For example, we put a bunch of different type of tape, so if you need tape, maybe we can name it. Also, there's organizers, different walls could be put in there. Okay, another box organizer, very good, locks in. Comes with the also bottom to where it can lock in onto the other boxes. And it could be one, and then to unlock it, boom, easy. Love it. The can opener we use plugs in, has right here cord organizer. Okay. So push it up this way, and then it will hold it and spin it all the way around. It actually locks in and then stops automatically, lifts up. This magnetic catching it. Nice. Bigger can also works. Locks in and holding it, cutting it well, and it will stop automatically. Nice. Okay, lift this up and it will release it, and then this lid stays here. Awesome, it does not sink. 30 days fridge fresh. Exposes 2 times the baking soda versus 1 pound box. Fridge fresh. Okay, some example where to place it. That's nice. Okay. Let's unbox it. Ooh, comes with a really nice suction cup. Oh wow, it even sticks on this really unsmooth table, and it's tight. Wow, that is a really good suction cup, and there's a help to take it off. Okay, what do we do here? Change every 30 days, so probably good idea to date it or do it in beginning of the month. What is this sticker? I want to see what's under there. Okay, the stickers can stay on there. Cool. And it's already exposes the baking soda and refreshes the fridge. Probably good idea to put it out of the way in the back on top, but also really easy to see. Wow, it sticks on it so well. Try to pull it off. Ooh, it's too tight, so gotta pull it off from here. And let's see, I want to reposition it. Nice. Now it's going to refresh my fridge.